Good day everybody. Today I just wanted to highlight a nice new feature that we've got in Draftworx Cloud that gives you the ability to export your journals to your different accounting packages. So this would mean you'd had to have imported your working trial balance directly from either Sage Business Cloud, Xero, or QuickBooks Online. And if you have done that, then what I can do is I can export my journals to those different packages as well. So you can either just select one journal or you can select all of them, and then you select the accounting package that you use to import. Now I've got a few different journals here. We're going to see a few different errors pop up, so I'll kind of go through that as we see them as well. So first things first, I used Sage Business Cloud, so I'm going to click there, and it actually pops up immediately with a warning for me. Now there are two issues that I've got here on these journals. So it's telling me some of them are invalid. So we do a test on our side. Firstly, your journal obviously can't be out of balance. You can see my journal number 5 is out of balance. We've got our regular little out of balance marker there as well. So you can see that. And then we also have a journal with no reference. So you'll see there journal number 2, it doesn't have a reference. So it's an important thing to remember. If you do want to export those journals, you do have to have a reference. It's required by the accounting packages, and so we just make sure that you do complete that on your side. You will get errors before you journal, so I can cancel if I don't want to. Alternatively, if I want to continue, so I still want to export all of the other journals, so the 3 remaining journals, I can just say yes, I'm still happy to export them. From there, I'll need to log into my accounting system. So it logs in, and then it's similar to the import where I now need to choose which entity I'm going to be pushing the data to. So I've got a file over here, stationery and art supplies, that's the guys I've been working with. It's still going to talk to you about the invalid journals, but that's fine, we're happy with that. We're still going to export the 3 remaining, and we can just say export. This now pushes everything back to Sage in this case, and it's going to give us feedback in terms of if the journal was posted successfully or not. And you'll see here I've got now obviously my no reference one and the out of balance one. They're going to stay blank because we didn't post them at all because they aren't even allowed to be posted, right? That was the first warning we got. Then we've got some here that says posted, and this is a successful journal. Everything's done. This journal's now been posted to my Sage account. Same with this one over here. I've got a few additional multiple accounts. It's also been posted. You'll see with these posted journals, I can now no longer edit this journal. We lock that, as I said earlier, just because so that you can't edit this and post it again. And then you've got double journals in your accounting system and it starts becoming a little bit messy. We do have a failed journal here. There are certain instances where the accounting package will say a journal isn't allowed. 2 of the most obvious ones is if there's a new account. So in this case, this account is an account that wasn't, or that it doesn't exist in my accounting package at the moment. I created it in Draftworx on my working trial balance. I created this on this green line and I just created a new account for myself that wasn't originally from the import. So obviously that can't be pushed back into Sage because the system doesn't have that account on their side. Additionally, some accounting packages don't allow you to journal to something like a bank account, maybe a sales account, what they usually call system accounts or locked accounts. Now in this case, the bank balance we can't affect directly, and so pushing a journal to there, it's also going to tell me this is not a valid Sage selection in Sage. So those kind of accounts, unfortunately, we can't push back. You'll have to go into Sage and do the manual adjustment, or go into your accounting package and do the manual adjustment. Even if there are certain items that are correct, so obviously this journal is correct, but the other 2 aren't, the whole journal will fail. We do hope you guys enjoy this new export journals option. You will find it, as I said, on the journal screen, direct exports, and you can export directly to your accounting packages there. As always, thanks so much for watching and thanks for your time. Cheers.